Hey everyone, hola mi gente. So this weekend we're going camping. I'm not sure if the weather is cooperate though. Um, we're expected with heavy rains. But anyway, we're headed north, Central Florida, Ocala to be exact, from where we at. So we're gonna hit the road, as you can see. Hook it up. We're gonna hit the road and see how this weekend goes. So come with us. Bounce about 3, 2, 1. All right, so we arrived at Champions Run in Ocala. This place looks gorgeous, I have to tell you. We just arrived, so we're gonna start setting up. But I gotta tell you, this place is looking off the hook. All right, let me a little bit. Look at how immaculate everything looks. And it is packed. It is packed. A lot of people came out for the long weekend, President's Day weekend. I'm gonna start setting up and stay tuned. right, so it never gets boring around here. I'm having a problem with my faucet. It's leaking. So we're going to try to go to the store they have here. Maybe they have some hardware. I can change it. I have no idea. Let's see. Wish me luck. In the meanwhile, let me show you the grounds. All right, so this looks like a welcoming lobby center. So we'll check it out, see if there's anything that we can find here. I've heard a lot of great things about this bar here, under the big canopy. All right, so let's check it out. See what we got here. Oh, sorry for that. Guys, so unfortunately I have an issue with my faucet in the bathroom. It's leaking, and now I gotta go to Home Depot because the things I'm trying to do to fix it are not working. So I'm gonna pick up my cousin Guy and we're headed to Home Depot, Lowe's, or one of those stores, but stay tuned. All right, at Lowe's. Took us a while to get here. See, this piece has to be replaced. So let's see. I got my cousin Guy with me, helping me out. We can't seem to find the part. You know what, maybe, you know what, I'm gonna go work on this and I'll get back to you guys. All right, stay tuned. All right, everyone. So couldn't figure out the whole sink thing. Well, to be continued. We'll talk about it tomorrow. But right now, look at Danny. Flip those ribs. I want those baby back. Yes, sir. Let's here. There you go. Look at that beauty. We're gonna have another feast here tonight at Champion Run in Ocala. Look. What else? Look at that. Those are shish kebabs, pinchos, chicken shish kebabs. Can we see? Got that? And then over here. Over here we got pork chops. Alúmbrame aquí. Look at that. We got pork chops. So plenty of meat here.
Tenemos por allá ensalada de codito,
And
ensalada de
then we
papa.
got macaroni salad over here.
Tenemos un arroz.
Oh, sorry. There you go. There we go. And look over here. Wow, look at that rice. That's rice and bacon.
Some bacon.
Arroz, like the Puerto Rican says, arroz con bacon.
Y
And
ensaladita
potato
de
salad. Wow. So, feast. I'll get back to you on that sink tomorrow. Little, you know, do it myself. But anyway, we'll talk. See you soon. Hey, what's happening? So, it's day 2 here. And kind of like I figured, the weather was not going to help today. Or tomorrow, for that matter. We knew it. We knew it. But what are you going to do? You could have canceled. But my biggest problem is the issue I'm having with my faucet in the bathroom. It's a mess in there. So let me show you real quick. The droozy rainy day here. Very dreary. But yep, anyway. So I'll tell you the problem I'm having. I'm waiting for my cousin's ex-husband that lives around the area and knows a little bit about plumbing. So these connections there, yep, a lot of leaking going on. So I guess today on a rainy day, that's what I'm going to be working on. So we'll stay in touch. I'll keep you posted. Later. All right, guys. So this is what this has all been about right here. I don't know. All right, Bigio. What do you think? It's gonna work?
Yeah, it's gonna work.
All right, let's go turn on the water. Meli,
Are you kidding me?
poquito a poquito. Por favor, no explote nada. All right. I'm in here. Oh yeah. All right, so that was the project. Crazy.
Este lado tengo duda, porque este lado no tiene el washer.
All right, so we'll see. We'll see. Let me see if I can get it here. I don't know.
¿Dónde es que tú abres la...?
You turned it on?
No yet.
Billy, stop playing games, please. Oh.
Danny?
Hey, abre el flow. Y espero que no explote. Me vas a saber si hay líquido.
All right, we're gonna check for some leaks. Millie went to turn on the water.
No puedes abrir arriba porque yo
Sí, sí, I know. Pero, Millie, that wasn't long enough, dude.
Oh, I know. Eso fue.
I got my viewers waiting to see if it's gonna leak. Sorry, guys.
Oops.
You doing a live?
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh, no, stop. El azul. All right, guys, well, you got the leak. El azul.
What?
Yep, all right. Well, now you know what I've been dealing with, so to be continued. All right, guys, so we're going for test number 2. So follow me. Mira, tienes que gritar. You got to scream para que te oiga. All right. So you need to scream. As I told you, it's been a really bad day. Not only for my RV and the lack of using water, but the weather. Non-cooperative. So here we go. Let's turn it on. All right, I heard a scream. That's not good. I shut it off. All right, let's see what happens.
Ahora es arriba. Arriba.
All right.
Voy a apretar.
So we got to tighten it up a little bit more because it's seems like it's still leaking on the top. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let's try test number 3. All right, so all right. Once again, John will scream out Juan Vigio when it starts. Okay, gotta scream again. Like, still leaking. I can't make this up. I can't. All right. See? All right. We still got some work to do, so I'll get back to you soon. Hey guys, so I never gave you an update after try number 3. So we actually got it fixed that time. It was still loose. It wasn't going all the way up. So we had to adjust certain things and keep on screwing on until it reached all the way to the top and the leaks stopped. We were there 2 more days after that, and thank God, no more leaks. So that's an update that I forgot to add. Just wanted to add it on here, and we will continue. Yeah, mi gente, what's happening, everyone? So after a very hard day, rainy and cold, we're settling in Joel and Nadi's RV to have some of this. Look at that. That's hearty. It's thicker than a soup, but liquider than a stew. Good stuff. So we're here with everybody. There you go. And yeah, tomorrow I'll tell you more about my faucet. Catch you soon. Hey everyone, how you doing? Once again, another rainy day here in Ocala, Florida, but still having a good time. Still having a good time. Hey, let me show you guys a little bit of the tiki bar. We're hanging out, having a couple drinks. But look how cool this is. Right here. So I was told that they have a sister RV campsite in Winter Haven. Oh, well anyway, it's supposed to be kind of like this, same setup. The tiki's twice the size, but it's just as nice. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There we go. Let's see who we got here. There you go. Let's show you a little bit about the bar right here. So there's gonna be a performance tonight. So they're getting ready. There you go. There you go. So you can see it's very ample. Plenty of room. Oh, look who's here. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. There you go. Look at that. Alright. Listen, sometimes you gotta make the best of the situation. And we are. We're still hanging out together. We still had a barbecue. We had a nice dinner yesterday. Have some drinks today. We're actually going out. We're all getting together, going out for dinner. But yeah, listen, camping's life. So I'll tell you and I'll let you know how we go later today and tomorrow when we start checking out.
Well, there's no time to count what I'm worth, 'cause I just kiss with the planet. Anywhere I go, I hope there's room, and not to worry when monsoons come.
All right, guys. So dinner night out. It's gonna be the night before we check out. Some of us, at least. Are you staying or are you going?
I don't know yet.
You don't know
We're
yet.
having fun, so I don't know.
I personally wanted to stay, but some other circumstances are making me leave. Not me. But anyway. Oh, the crew's here. The crew's here. All right. The crew's here. The crew's here. The crew's here. The crew's here. All right. Gonna have some dinner tonight. Finish the night strong, like we know how to do it. So stay tuned. Salud, dinero y amor.
Salud, dinero y amor. Y tiempo para gozar.
Las malas y todas las que vengan.
Oh, that's going down right now. Let's go. Next dinner. All right, good morning, everyone, or hello. It depends on what part of the world you're at. But so, as my cousin Guy passes by, the last day we're leaving Champions Run, and it's just gorgeous. But we're leaving. We're leaving. We had a rough weekend. We had it was raining, as you guys saw, and you know, I made a knucklehead move with the faucet when I switched it. Didn't take certain things for consideration, and well, ended up costing me a little bit. We were able to get it fixed with some help, but I had water pretty much outside and inside. Sorry, just shutting off my my front lights. Left them on. But you know what? So there's, you know, there's things you learn when you go camping. And this one we were lucky that we were surrounded by our great group of campers that normally hang out. Great group of friends and family. So we were able to have a good time. You know, we used to go to each other's RVs, hang out, and hey, just make the best of it. Ate good food, heard good stories, a lot of laughs. So it wasn't that bad. I did miss the sun. But anyway. We're going to get ready, start packing up. And we got an 11 a.m. checkout. My reviews is this is a new place. It's beautiful. The amenities are very nice. Price-wise is a little bit on the higher end. Not the highest end, but a little bit on the higher end. It's more than a KOA. Less than a Margaritaville. But everything is super clean. It's a beautiful area of Florida. And I think I will come back sometime. I also think I'm going to try their sister property called Canopy Oaks. There's the vibe right there. Look at that. Whoop, right there. Anyway, I think I'm going to try that one first. Once again, not the most adventurous trip, but it was nice. So if you like what you saw, please hit that like button. Help me out here. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Join us in our RV adventures. Hopefully I can do more often, some videos more often, to talk about a little bit more about RV life as a part-timer or temporary versus full-time. Why did we choose to go part-time for now? We'll talk a little bit about it in another video. And hope you join us and continue joining us. So until now, vámonos RVing. Take care.